All right. Let's see. Okay. What's good, everybody? What's good, everybody? What is good? What is good? All right, cool. The live stream is working. So let's get straight to trading. So guys, I have had a really interesting morning. So I didn't get a chance to look at the chart. So I'm going to do that with you guys. We do have NFP. So today's going to be super interesting. I'm going to be cautious of that. Yo, Maximus was first thing here. What's good, Maximus? Mr. R say, yo, what's good, everybody? What's good? Let me see if I can get the Discord in here to pin real quick. Let me see here. Let me go invite. Set link to never expire. Copy. All right, we good. Excited for the wife reveal. We'll see, man. We'll see. She just left to one of our business spots to go check it out. She'll be back. All right, guys. She'll be back in about, give or take, like half an hour. All right. So good morning, everybody, man. I think we should just start off right away with one of our beautiful songs, man. Let's see. Let me close this one here. Let me close this one here. And let's just leave it to right here. Guys, I had a busy morning, so I didn't even get a chance to really look into the chart. So we're going to do that together. All right, guys? We're going to do that together. But everybody who's here so far, for the first 4 or 5 of you, good morning.
Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice. Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning. It's going to be a good day, man. We got NFP, so we're going to be super careful, but it's still going to be a great day. What's good? Sinister say, yo, what's good? Swing traders in the building. FC Mozart, what's up? What it do? Ryuzaki, good morning. Sinister said, please don't say that you missed gold. Bro, this morning I couldn't get to check the chart. Had some other things to do. So I'm now getting to the chart. But while you mentioned that, let's take a look at gold right away. Let's see. Yeah, Nas is not really doing much. Let's go to XAU USD. Let's see. All right. Operation get money back from gold. Okay, Javier's TP. There's a bunch of stuff here that we should remove. Yes. Yes. Let's get rid of you. Don't know what these lines are, but let's get rid of you as well. And you guys said I missed gold. What happened? Gold on 5 minute. Got you. All right, let's take a look at this. For those of you joining for the wife reveal, just be patient. She's not here yet. She'll be here in about half an hour. Okay, we might. She'll be joining us for the stream today for sure. Might get to see her today, guys. You might. All right, gold on the 5 minute. What did I miss? Let's see. I mean, this move here, is that what you guys are talking about? Or I missed like something all of yesterday. Let's see. Let me turn this over. Gotta focus. Missed gold. I'm trying to figure out what I missed. Yesterday was Tuesday. Gold just went up. It's kind of lingering in this area. You can see gold broke these, like this zone right here, right? And it's retesting that. So that's all I see right now. And then from here, it's plummeting. Is it this move that you guys caught? Got like 1.2K in like 5 minutes ago. Nice. You guys, clap it up for Sinister, bro. Sinister hit a nice trade. Let's give Sinister some fire emojis in the chat. And let's play our congratulations song for him. There you go. Congratulations, brother.
Congratulations.
Good job, bro. Caramel in the building. Fire emojis in the chat. Congratulations, brother. Good job.
From going higher. Congratulations. Yeah.
Congratulations, congratulations. Clap it up for Sinister. Clap it up, clap it up. Good job, brother. Good job. Good job. We are very happy for you.
We are extremely happy. We are extremely happy. I don't know whether you can define the word extremely.
We're happy for you, bro. Congratulations.
Congratulations! Oh my God.
All right, that's enough of that. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody who just joined. If you just joined, you're looking for the wife reveal, just be patient. She's gonna be back in like half an hour. All right, she's gonna be on the stream. Aka said, hey bro, how are you? I'm good, man. How you doing? How you guys doing, man? We good. I didn't get to look at the charts this morning, so I'm gonna look at it with you guys. This morning I had a busy morning. I had to get some things done, the wife and I, and that's part of the reason why she's out. So yeah, we're gonna look at the charts together. So apparently I missed this move on the 5-minute chart. He said just about like 5 minutes ago he pulled like almost 2K out of this trade. So yeah, man, I suppose around here at this level could have gotten here, because at this point, we were at the chart at this point, but maybe this one. I think this one would have been the best one for sure. But that's nice, man. Congratulations to you, brother. Really nice trade. Very, very, very good. Gold just broke this level here. It's kind of retesting it. We'll see what happens when it gets down here. What it does. It might bounce down here and continue up. Remember, guys, we have NFP, or is it NFP or FOMC? FOMC today at 2 o'clock my time. So it might get a little spicy in here, you know what I'm saying? So because of that, I'm actually kind of glad I wasn't on the charts this morning, because then, days like this, the chart doesn't move the way I want, at least for the pairs I trade. FX Maximus said, I deserve a congratulations too. Made 17K on GJ and EJ combined. Sheesh, bro. We got to give you a congratulations for sir. All right, guys, let's clap it up. Let's celebrate. Let's congratulate Maximus FX, because he hit a crazy milestone. So Maximus, congratulations. And everybody who's here, please put some fire emojis in the chat for Maximus FX.
Congratulations.
Yeah, that's crazy. Good job, bro. Sheesh. Euro swinging on the daily time for Eurocat and Jubicat.
I am happy for you. Like play, you have come this far. Nothing can stop you from going higher. Congratulations.
17 fires for 17K. That's fire. That's fire. Top tier comment. That's fire. Clap it up, Maximus. Good job, bro. Good job, brother. That's crazy. That is crazy, bro. That is absolutely crazy. It's been a good trading period. Last couple weeks have been amazing. Yesterday, I took another trade on one of my accounts. I'm now officially 8 for 8. It's been a great couple of weeks, man. Great couple of weeks. Congratulations. We are very happy for you, Maximus.
We are extremely happy. We are extremely happy. I don't know whether you can define the word extremely. Congratulations! Oh my God.
Congratulations, brother. Maximus said he loves the song, but Mozart said, now I have a new song I hate. Mozart, man, you got to pick one. You can't hate everything. Mozart is currently looking at EuroCAD. EuroCAD. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at that as well. I mean, as far as I'm concerned, it's back into this zone where every time price gets into the zone, it comes back down. You can see here. Wait, let me see something. Would this work? Nah, it's too much of a force. That wouldn't work. But you can see that price has been, let me just go back to what I was showing you guys earlier. This level was a very strong level. Every time price comes into this area, we get a nice push towards the downside. What we got to figure out, as always, is if price is going to push back down or if it's going to go up. Recently, price came up here, broke this level, came down. Okay, we had this level right here. I'll just make this a different color just so we can all see it. Okay, we had this level right here that price was, respecting, broke above. Now it's moving towards like this area here. All right, so we got to see what price is going to do. You know me, I do zones. I don't do anywhere in the middle. I'm not going to get in anywhere near here. Price either has to come up here or it has to come down there, or else I'm not taking the trade. All right, so he also mentioned, I believe, GBP CAD. Let's take a look at that as well. Let's take a look at that as well. Oh, GBP CAD looks kind of nice. Let's see what's going on there. So kind of a similar situation, except we have a channel here. So we're expecting at some point that price is going to, you know what I mean, break towards the downside. And man, if we can catch the top of that, how many pips would this be? Even from here. Oh my gosh, 550, what? Almost 600 pips basically. That would be nasty work. And depending on your position size, this could retire your family, bro. So that's amazing. But yeah, we're expecting price at some point. Right now, we don't really have a reference on the left-hand side. Price is just breaking highs, right? Giving us higher highs and higher lows. We still have 2 hours for this candle to close, so we don't know what it's going to do. But as of right now, this seems to be the spot of contention, right? This little area right here. We're going to see if price respects it and keeps going up, or if it's going to close within. All right, so we might be able to find something on the 15 or something just to kind of catch the retracement and go up. We do have this gap that is currently forming right now, but you guys know me, I don't like gaps like that because they're already being used. You see what I'm saying? I prefer this one. This one to me gives me the best chances of getting into a nasty trade. Okay, so we could kind of see what happens here and take it from there, but I wouldn't really bet on it too much. Titan said, much love, brother, much love. Yone, you'll say, yo, mate, back with the stream. Nice. Did you see the video? You were mentioned in the last video. I hope you saw it because you're the one who asked us to check out GJ on the trade that I took. So I hope you saw it. But welcome back to the stream. Welcome back to the chat. Welcome back to the live, everybody. All right. We are looking at GBP CAD right now. For those of you who are here, again, I have to say because people go in and out. For those of you who are here to see the wife reveal, she'll be back in about 20 minutes. All right, guys, just bear with me. Shosho say, yo, what is up, peeps? What's up, foreign? Have an amazing trading day. Thank you, Shosho. What's good? I hope you're doing well. You've been doing really well recently, so shout out to you. Shosho, guys, is like a brand new trader, and he's learning very, very well. So shout out to Shosho. You know what I'm saying? Shosho's doing really well. All right, so here we are looking at GP CAD. I'm going to kind of change colors on these guys just because I don't want it to be too... Maybe make this one darker. Yeah. Like that. Okay, this is the one that we're in right now. We'll see. I'll keep that open. I want to go take a look at some other things here. I can see on Fusion Markets, you know, clear as day. It's just playing in this area here. The question we got to ask ourselves is, are we going to get a nice trade to go towards the upside? I'm not really sure, to be honest, but we'll keep an eye on that because it's acting a little weird. We'll see. We'll come back to US 30. We have SPX 500. It's kind of a similar situation, except in this case, it's kind of already crossed over towards the downside. I don't know, man. I'm gonna leave those alone for now. Let's go look at some other pairs real quick. Yone Yield said, yes, bro. I'm glad you saw it, man. Thank you for suggesting that. So Shosho suggested the last one, guys. Always suggest what you want us to take a look at. You never know if you're going to be featured in the next video. All right. You'll say fire. That's what's up. And Marcus said fire. What's good, Marcus? Mr. Adrian. Mr. Anderson. We've been looking for you. Bro, Matrix is one of the best movies ever, bro. I don't care what no one said. At one point, Agent Smith talks about his trash. He said to Morpheus, he's like, I can taste your stink. That guy is wilding out, bro. Oh, my gosh. GBP USD, Euro JPY. See, all these pairs are kind of moving. Not the best right now, so I'm not really interested in those. Let's see, GBP CHF. Very interesting. Let's take a look here. Yeah, that's also weird. But look at that, bro. That one FEG has this pair in a chokehold. But I suspect today's the day that it's going to break it. I suspect so. So we'll see what happens. We'll probably come back to monitor this. For those of you who are just joining, welcome to the chat. Welcome to the live. Good morning to you guys. And my wife will be here in about 20 minutes.
Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice. Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, all my pineapples. It's become an inside joke on all the videos that I post on social media everywhere. We get the pineapples showing up, bro. So shout out to the pineapple army. Shout out to all my foreigners. K-Dot is in the building. Maximus say, yo, Marcus, what's good, what's good? K-Dot said, what's up? Hope you're doing much better. I appreciate you, brother. I am doing better by God's grace. I have a wife that is an amazing soul. She nursed me back to health, bro, because at one point I was like not able to stand. I was dizzy. I was about to collapse. I was vomiting. It was a nightmare. I had to consult my doctor, my private my family doctor, Caramel's Life, because he's a nurse. He's like, you got COVID, bro. He's yelling at me. He's like, go get tested. I'm like, I'm going. So that was pretty cool. Shout out to all you guys who show love and support and check up on me. I appreciate it. I want to say this as well. Let me give a shout out to everybody in the Discord who wished me a speedy recovery and all that. I'm gonna give you guys a shout out real quick. I think it was in general. Where was it? Yeah, right here. So shout out to Verd I think that's Mozambique. Shout out to Verd. Shout out to Ryuzaki. Take care, fast recovery. Shout out to K-Dot. And I think there was one more. Where is it? Shosho. Shout out to Shosho, bro. Shout out to all of you guys. Black also said what happened. He didn't know what was going on. Shout out to all of you guys. If I'm missing, yeah, take care of your health. Thank you so much. And look, shout out from Caramel's Life. Shout out Caramel Life. If you guys haven't seen his IG stories, man, this man is grinding to bring us the content and education we need to success. Yeah, guys, check out my IG. I got a lot of stuff I'm working on for you guys. All right, Marcus. Shout out to Marcus. Marcus also like personally messaged me and wished me speedy recovery. My wife was actually the one who spoke to him. So, and then I think there was somebody else who also messaged me on Instagram and was wishing me good health. So shout out to all of you guys. I love you guys. You guys are family. I appreciate every one of you. Marcus, you should be doing the next wife reveal. Marcus, the pressure's on, bro. You got to get married ASAP and do a wife reveal. All right. So we're looking at Euro AUD right now. I'm going to set an alert here because I feel like this will be the next spot that price is going to give us possibly a good push towards the downside. We will see. Okay. If it happens around FOMC, you already know we're not touching that because we're just going to get washed. All right. But I'm going to set an alert here to say that price is returning to this area, or price. Gosh, I do this all the time. Price is retracing. No, price has tapped into resistance and is approaching FEG. Booyah. All right, so we got that on the chopping block. We're going to wait that out and see what happens. Again, back to NQ, NAS. They're all kind of doing the same thing. Let's see what's happening on NAS again. All right, prices. But guys, look what's happening. Look at what's happening. All right, guys, look at what's happening. You never know. All right, so either we're getting one of these. It depends on how price respects this level. Okay, so I'm going to make this yellow just so that we can kind of, you know what I mean? Either we're going to get one of these. Okay, and you guys saw I took this exact same trade yesterday. Okay, so either we're getting one of these. I've taken this trade twice actually, right? So we might look for an entry, or we're getting one of these. Okay, where price is actually starting a channel. All right, so we don't know. So we're going to keep both open. We'll see how this responds. Okay. Oh, let me just pull this up. As you can see, US 30 does not respect nobody. Marcus said, sadly, guys, not married. He's working on it, though. Marcus is a ladies' man, bro. Wherever Marcus goes, bro, people come up to him. They're like, oh, my God, are you Marcus Adrian? He's like, yeah, I expose people. You know what I'm saying? Marcus just be chilling, bro. Isn't that right, Marcus? All right, so US 30 right now is, we got to see what it does at this level here. Let me go take a look at some other pairs. SPX 500 I'm not really interested in right now. Gold, apparently we missed a setup on gold. Right, we had this setup and gold is just plummeting. I think I'm going to set an alert for over here. I'm going to say gold has tapped into support level. How did I spell support wrong? Oh my gosh. support. All right. Let me just move this down here a little. There we go. So we have gold. We have US 30. What else? Let's see if we could find what's going on. Oh, okay. Perfect. Let me get rid of this. Perfect. We're now in this zone, guys. We are now in this zone. Let's see if we get a nice retracement. Not retracement. Retracement to the upside. Yo, this laughing. Shosho's laughing. Reminds me of this. Let me move this over so I can read it. Reminds me of this meme. You naughty. Yeah. Wait, I gotta add that to the soundboard. Nah, bro, I used to be a very bad dude, and since I gave my life to the Lord, I don't do that type of stuff anymore. Oh man, hey, listen. Let us show some support to Marcus. Okay, Marcus said he gave his life to Christ. He's no longer doing those things. Marcus is a prime example of don't judge a book by its cover, and I can't say it so well, so I'm gonna have my friend here explain it to you the best.
You know what? In life, don't cover the church by. Don't judge the cover, judge the book. Man, don't book the cover. Book. Don't whatever. Don't do it. Just
don't do it. That is the best explanation of don't judge a book by its cover ever. Yo, that is hilarious, bro. Oh my god, guys, hit the like button on this stream. Please. Okay, I do my best to give you guys free content, education, and we have a good time. All right, there's never a dull moment in here. We try our best to learn and laugh at the same time. All right. Oh my gosh, that is hilarious. So we're watching these two for now. Sorry, these two, US 30 and XAUSD. I'm going to actually check. I think we haven't checked oil. Oh, there we go. Oil is breaking towards the upside. Okay, it's not really respecting this level. Kind of pushed up. I think I'm gonna leave oil alone for now. And then we have this. You guys, what else are you guys looking at? Oh wait, do we look at AUD JPY? Yeah. I added that to the list. AUD JPY. Oh my gosh, look at GBP USD. I was waiting for it to get to this level, and it finally did, and we missed it. We absolutely missed it. Bro, this thing just literally hit the floor. Sheesh. All right, well, let's see what happens. I'll tell you right now, from US 30 and NAS and all those other pairs, once I see this, bro, price, especially NAS, when you see NAS go all the way up like this and come back down, at best you'll get this. It'll just continue, bro. Just falls to the floor. All right, so probably leave that one alone for now. All right, for those of you who are joining for the wife reveal, welcome, Fauci. He said, what y'all catch? Nothing this morning, but 2 people in the chat caught beautiful trades. One person hit like 2K, next person hit 17K. So we already congratulated them, man. People are catching trades. Last couple days, I want to say let's call it the last 7 days, we are 8 for 8 on trades. One morning we took 3 trades and hit all 3. So we've been doing really well. I think it's been a great trading period for everybody. But for those of you who are just joining and you're waiting to see my wife, she will be here in about 20 minutes. All right, guys, just be patient. We have other businesses, you see what I'm saying? So we have to go check on them every so often, make sure the employees are doing what they're supposed to do. You know what I mean? One person does admin, the other person does all the other stuff, right? So just bear with her. She'll be here at some point. Did you miss the song? Which one? The congratulations or the good morning song? Because we'll play that soon at some point for sure. Just stay tuned, brother. Stay tuned. Okay, GBP USD, Euro JPY, GBP CHF. Okay, GBP CHF is... I don't like this though. I'm not going to touch this. I don't like this. The congratulations song. Yeah, we played it twice already this morning, bro. We played it twice. But it'll come back. Don't worry. We're going to eventually catch some trade at some point, and you'll be able to hear the wonderful man sing his wonderful... Shout out to him, bro. I gotta reach out to him and be like, yo, bro, make me an intro, bro, for my channel. Make me an intro for my channel. Oh, this is interesting. I'm actually going to draw that, but I'm going to make this a different color. what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to do it like that for now, just to see. I find this interesting. AUDJPY. I love the way AUDJPY moves, bro. I won't even lie, bro. I just love, I've caught, every trade I've caught so far on AUDJPY has just been butter. I love the way it moves. Guys, we are supposed to be trading Forex from this week going, okay? So every trade I take today, unless it's after 11, I don't usually trade after. But you know what? Recently with Forex, I realized I could trade after 11 because the last 2 trades I've posted on YouTube, they've all been after like 11 o'clock. They've all been around like 12 o'clock and they've been, you know what I mean? You've seen the trades, they hit. So who knows? Maybe today we'll find a trade. And because we're starting the Forex series, I got to make it official. I got to do like a trailer, you know what I mean? And post it on the YouTube channel and be like, are you wondering how you can pass your challenge in 30 days? Are you new to Forex and don't know where to go? Well, you've come to the right place. Foreign Money X is the place for you. You see, over at Foreign Money, we have lots of pineapples and all sorts of nonsense. Who knows? Maybe I'll do a trailer. I'll do a trailer for this whole series. But we're supposed to be starting the series, guys. So I'm going to be trading on a challenge account. And I'm going to be showing you guys how I trade. I'm going to execute. I'm going to do everything in front of you guys. You guys are going to be able to see everything. K-Dot said I always trade after 11. EST or your time? Because I'm Eastern Standard Time. Excuse me. But yeah, either way, it works on Forex, man. It works on Forex. Oh my gosh. Oh, wait. Okay. I thought this was like on the 15-minute. I'm like, bro, we missed a big move. All right. So let's see what's going on here. This is interesting. So here's the thing. If price ends up, right? If price ends up doing this, I'm going to leave that alone. That is not the setup I'm looking for at all. When US 30 and them expand so high, I'm not trusting. I don't like the way we're supposed to get more, a little bit more out of this whole channel at least. But then again, we also are supposedly at a very strong zone, right? So that could also make sense. But we'll see. We'll see if the same things that have applied to all the other pairs will apply today to US 30. Good morning, Pineapple. Good morning, Fauci. Good morning. Good morning. TFF posted some updates just now. I always trade after 11. UTC -4. Okay, got you. Howdy, howdy, fam. Glad I made it today. Sorry for missing yesterday. Man, you good, man. As long as you make it, bro, we happy. We happy with you. If TFF posted an update, I'm going to check it later. I can't keep up with all the updates. I won't lie. You know what I mean? I still can't log into my account. Till this day, I can't log into my account. Okay, so guys, I want to share something with you. The other day, right, when I messaged them, letting them know that my account is not working, they were asking me which account is mine, which I believe they were going to look into it and give me an account. But I don't want to be treated different just because I'm a YouTuber. I want to experience the same thing that you guys experience, so I didn't give them my information. I'm waiting to see how long it takes them to give me my account. And from what I heard from one of the subscribers, apparently, if your account is showing up as breached or like you can't get in, it means you're not getting your account from them. So if they do that to me, you already know how this is going to go. So we'll see how this goes. Fauci said GJ, best setup for scalpers, gold setup as well. Okay, yeah, yesterday I took a trade on GJ. Let me take a look at GJ real quick. Let's go to GBP, JPY. Yeah, this is the trade that you guys saw in the video yesterday. Okay, let's see what else is going on for GJ today. All right, GJ now is moving towards this area. Ooh, I am interested in that. Oh, should we miss that? You see, this is what I'm saying. Like, I love the way some of these pairs move on Forex. I won't lie. Like, don't waste no time, bro. They get straight to the level. They get straight to pushing down. Look, GJ, this is what gave me confidence to take the trade yesterday. It's just been respecting the life out of structure. Just such clean market structure. And this is coming from somebody who hated and hates GJ. Okay, but now I feel like I'm converting. I feel like I'm changing. Oh, I think I hear my wife downstairs, guys. She might be coming up. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens, guys. I think she's back home. But anyways, Sinister respect. Yeah, I appreciate it, bro. I don't want to have special treatment just because I'm a YouTuber. I want to be treated like a average Joe so that we know that. Because if I start telling you guys, hey, I got my account back and nobody else is getting their account. You know, somebody came into my comments the other day saying, bro, what are you doing? Still promoting this scam profile? I'm like, I'm not promoting, right? I'm like, I update my people because they ask. And there's a lot of people who are still trading with them. You know how many people reach out to me and say, yo, shout out to you, bro. You're still the only YouTuber making content about TFF, so it helps us to stay informed. I'm the only one. So they want these updates. I'm just updating my people. So I could care less about what people think. The amount of people are like, oh, you're being paid by them. Bro, they don't have no money to pay nobody. You don't get it? Even if I was an influencer, I wouldn't be getting paid. They're broke right now. They ain't got no money to pay nobody. So like, just understand, bro. I'm not getting paid. I'm just doing it for the love of my people, for the love of my foreigners and all my pineapple lovers in the building. It's for all of them. Maximus FX says fire. Shout out to you. Excuse me. So, wow, GJ just plummeted. So unfortunately missed these moves. Guys, I don't chase trades. I don't go like, oh man, I know GJ's gonna come back down here. Let me get in right here, and then put my stops right here. Because guess what's gonna happen? It may go down. It may. But it also may do this. And then go down. Okay? Oops. I hate when that happens. Let me just do this. Okay? It may do that. So what I always wait for, I don't take trades unless it's in my zone. If it's not in my zone that I've been waiting patiently for, the Canadian accent came out. Yeah. Did I say A? Did I say A when I was speaking? You're on Canadian waters, eh, bud? Full-born bred Canadian, buddy. But yeah. So I think my wife is home. So you guys are gonna get to see her soon. Maybe we'll see. She's definitely gonna be joining us for the stream. So you guys can ask her questions, all that stuff. Ask her if I'm a.
You are a bad boy. You are a bad boy. You are a bad boy.
Ask her if I'm a bad boy. Guys, I'm kind of tempted to hop into this trade, but I'll tell you why I didn't take this trade. This trade, I get an aggressive sometimes. Came down, gave us one of these, right? It's technically my setup, but I have to be honest, I just don't like it. The way it went up and came, like, I don't like that. I mean, I still could be wrong. It could still fly upwards, but nah, that was just very Canadian sounding. Got you. Today we will definitely find out if you're a bad boy or not. Yeah. Y'all here for the drama and the tea. You guys. Y'all better be on my side, man. I'm not necessarily good, but I ain't bad. You know what I'm saying? I've been in this game 10 years, bro. November's going to be 10 years since we've been married, so. You know what I'm saying? But feel free to ask, guys. Just keep it respectful, obviously. You know what I mean? But I have no doubts. If anybody goes, like, overboard or crosses the line, it's got to be somebody who's not part of our group. Everyone in the Foreign Money family is a top, like, stand-up citizen, stand-up person. So I have no concerns there. Let's see what to do with this trade. I don't know, man. I don't know how I feel about this, guys. I won't even lie to you. Usually, you know me, I just hop in the trade and we're good. But I don't know. I don't like the way it moved. I have some criteria as to how this is supposed to break. And nah, you guys, I'm gonna stay out no matter what. Even if it ends up, right? Even if it ends up hitting our TP, that's cool. I'm gonna stay out the trade. I don't care. I have specific criteria I look for. As I'm releasing these free courses and all these things, you guys will start to see what I really look for trades, and why I take trades the way I do. Speaking of trades, let's go look at US30. Okay, cool. So US30 is starting to move slowly towards that side. All right. We can, whatever. Okay, but we'll see what happens with this. There's a way price moves. This is why, let me show you, for example, on GJ. Was it GJ? Yeah, yesterday. Let me see if I can show. I think it was on GJ. I think. If you guys haven't, in fact, no, I'll do it on a different example. Because if you guys haven't seen the video yet, go watch the video. That's what I'm going to do. I'm not going to spoil it for those who went and watched it. And for those who have not yet watched it. I'm going to go to a different pair and show you guys. Let's see. Let me show you how. No, I have another trade that I took on GBP USD. Let's do that. That I think I can do for you guys. Because I took the trade on there the other day. Where was it? Not that one. I think it's a different GBP USD. Just bear with me, guys. I'm going to show you real quick. That's a push downward. Where's the trade that I took the other day? Oh, here it is. I was about to say, what is going on? All right, so let me show you guys what I'm talking about. I'll go down to the 1 minute. All right, guys, I think my wife's home, so you guys should see her soon. Blackhole said, just my view. GU, market should shift, looking sell set. Oh, okay, let's go look at GU. Shoot, okay. Let me just show you guys real quick. There's a way that when price moves, you know, to get into a trade. So here's the thing. When price came, let me go back just a little bit longer. When price came down here and made that last low, here's a couple clues, right? Next candle. That's a good start. All right. Look at this. Second candle. Okay. Third candle didn't happen. Look at the one that breaks this one. You see that? You like it to move with this. There's a way that it moves and presents itself where you can say, oh, okay, I can hop back in down here, let's say, right? And then let price continue upwards. And it does, okay? I didn't take that for this specific one here, as you guys saw from the video. If you haven't seen the video, go check it out. I do a proper breakdown of this. But usually when it comes to breaking my structure, I wait for, you need like volume and you need a certain way that it presents itself. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna hop out of this real quick so that we can check out GU. Somebody said GU is looking to sell. You're gonna come on like that? Oh, thank you, brought me breakfast. I appreciate you guys already, bro. You guys put some W's in the chat. Wife brought me some breakfast. Yo, which one is this?
That's my mix.
Boy, that's fire. Guys, the wife is here.
That's my mix.
Okay. She has a shiesty on, bro. My wife has a shiesty on, bro. She was on I thought she was just gonna stay out the cameras. We'll see. We'll see. Hi, Miss Foreign. She's coming back, bro. She's grabbing a chair, I think. You guys are gonna get to ask her whatever you want to ask her. Somebody said market structure shift on GU. I'm not seeing it. For sales? I'm not seeing it. W. Guys, put some, don't be a hater, guys. Put some W's in the chat, bro. My wife brought me breakfast. All these mornings I've been streaming, my mouth going dry, spending like 3 hours with you guys on the call. You know what I'm saying? I do it for the love of you people. So now she's here.
Camera.
Huh? The camera's right here.
Right there.
Yeah. Yeah, right there. There you go. Wait. Let's see. Oh. All right, guys, get your wife material. Indeed. Absolutely. 10 years, bro. She said, so, okay, babe. So, Ryuzaki said, hi, Mrs. Foreign. So say hi, Ryuzaki.
Hi.
There you go. And then we also got,
Morning, fam.
good morning. We also got, Maximus said, wife material. Indeed. Say thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Khaled said, hi.
Hi, Khaled.
So Professor said finally. Maximus said hello. All right, guys, listen. It's not gonna last forever. So if you have any questions, ask away. All right.
Good morning, pineapples.
There we go. Good morning. She said it. Now we gotta play the song.
Good morning,
Oh, you can't hear.
pineapple.
Let me switch this.
Looking very good, very nice. Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice.
Oh, somebody's asking. Latina accent. Guess where she's from, guys. Guess where she's from. Guess where she's from. Good morning. Good morning. Guess where she's... Oh, thank you, babe. See, she's feeding me, bro.
They're not going to be able to guess where I'm from.
We will never know.
No.
Hey, Mrs. Foreign. Lots of love. Greetings from Kenya and Nairobi.
Hello. Hi, Kenya.
Someone said, Titan said greetings from Aruba.
Aruba.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Should we do a face reveal today?
Greetings.
Where do you guys think she's from? Where do you guys think she's from?
You're
Thank
not
you.
going to guess where I'm from. It's a sausage.
Mm-hmm. That's damn good. Okay, so someone said somewhere in... Okay, Professor said she's from an island. Keep forgetting the name. All right, so we're going to put that up in the poll. Someone said, I'm guessing Brazil. Another person said local Canadian. So I'm going to put that in the chat. I'm going to put that as a poll. Thank you, babe. All right, so let's go. We're going to do Brazil. Oops. Canada. And give us one more option, guys. Somebody said from heaven. Amen to that, bro. I prayed for a year for this woman, bro. So she's definitely a godsend. Khaled said you're from heaven. You're a lucky man. Thank you guys so much. Somebody said check the 15-minute chart. Okay, PO, I got you. One more. That's good. One more. Yes. What else you guys got? What else you guys got for guesses? In the meantime, I'm gonna check the 15-minute chart on GBP USD. Oh, I see what you're saying now with the market structure shift. Got you. Yes, yes, yes. I see. I see. At the point of interest. Oops. I see. If it breaks, if price breaks this level here, then we might be able to do that on the long term. I haven't taken a 15-minute trade in a hot minute. Somebody says somewhere in South America. Okay, we'll put South America. All right, South America. That's it. All right, so here we go. Here's the poll, guys. You guys can vote on where you think she's from. Honestly, I don't have any other guesses. Locked in South Africa. Put like some wrong answers. That one correct one. If I see the correct name, I'll remember it. We'll do that next round. Because I have a feeling like you might actually know.
Did you tell them already?
I don't think so, though, but who knows? I yap a lot, so
Maybe you did.
maybe. All right, guys. Let's see. So far, babe, 60% say you're from an island. K-Dot said time to review all the last streams. Babe, K-Dot's the guy who always gets this song played. I'm gonna show you. This is K-Dot. We always play this for K-Dot.
You are a bad boy.
You're a bad
You are a
boy.
bad boy. You are a bad boy.
Bad?
Bro, him and DJ. I think it's K-Dot, DJ, and someone else, and Professor. They would just be misbehaving. Ethiopia, maybe? Never know. US 30, bro. What do you think? Let's take a look at US 30. Because you already missed GJ.
I love Ethiopia.
Yeah, we went to Ethiopia last year. It was beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
Resistance. No, what am I doing? Resistance. Oh, there you go. Resistance level. All right, let me go check US 30. GBP. Yeah, right here. US 30. All right, guys, any more guesses? Any more guesses? Any more guesses? Let's see. All right. So we have about 12 votes in here. 50% said from an island. And 33% said South America. Let's see. Let's see. I'm going to check US 30 right now. No way. I'm from Ethiopia. Oh, nice. Ethiopia was beautiful, man.
Really?
I'll show you guys pictures or probably put in a vlog. It was beautiful. DJ Mustang is bad boy. I'm a good boy. Professor said he's a good boy. Okay. All right, Professor. All right. Okay, we've got 13 votes in here. Let's get a couple more and then we'll close the poll and then we'll do the next round. US 30 is still moving within our channel. Whoever suggested it, I think it was Khaled. US 30 is still within our channel, so we're going to be patient. We're just going to wait it out. It's either going to bounce off of here if it's going up, right? Or it's going to continue down and touch, you know, the bottom of these channels and stuff like that, and then oops, and then eventually go back up. All right, guys. All right. Okay. Thanks, babe. Show them the fit. Show them the fit. We're matching, guys. Matching. We're matching. We're matching. All right, I'm going to end the poll. Majority of you guys said she's from an island, so we're going to get rid of that right now.
Starts with an S. Little hint. It starts with an S.
Are you going to stay till FFR? What's FFR? Help me understand what FFR is, Ryuzaki. Help me understand. All right. So most of you guys guess she's from an island. Time to put up the islands. Okay? We're going to say which island is she from?
You guys are right. It's an
You guys,
island.
did someone say she's from Somalia and another person from South Africa? Good guesses. But we don't know. People said islands, so we got to choose islands. All right. So what's the first island? Okay. We'll go.
Jamaica. A lot of people know Jamaica.
Don't say nothing. Don't say nothing.
Oh, you have Jamaica there already.
Yeah. What else?
Hmm?
What else should we do? All right, guys, we've decided on the options. So here you go. All right. Which island is she from? Oh, Yolomi's in here. What's good, Yolomi? My wife is on the stream. We're asking her questions. We might do a face reveal. All right, we might. We will see what happens. Wow, somebody said St. Lucia, and it's already in the polls. Oh wow. Where is she? Must I go back now? No. She hasn't appeared yet, Yolomi. Yolomi said pineapples was good. Marcus
Hi,
said
Yolomi.
Honduras. Sorry, say again.
Hi, Lomi.
There you go. I'm 99% sure it's St. Vincent. Professor, okay. Kata says St. Pierre.
Is that in the poll? No.
No, they're guessing other places. Titan said the St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Kata says St. Vincent locked in. All right. How many people have voted so far? 15. Damn. Okay. Let's get a couple more votes in there before we end it. Majority of you guys are saying St. Lucia in the polls. I'm locked in St. Vincent. Hey, Mrs. Foreign. Lovely voice.
Thank you.
All right, guys. Meanwhile, while the polls are going on, we're watching US 30 to see.
What am I looking at?
What are you looking at? You don't know, right? You have no idea, right? All right, guys, let's teach her a little bit about trading. All right, so, oh man, gotta start from the beginning. Maybe even on a clean chart. Let's go to USD. Yeah, let me use something we don't use. All right, cool. So here is a chart, okay? Every chart, basically, okay, gosh. Now I have to start from the very beginning. These things that you're seeing here, they're called candlesticks. Each candlestick represents price movement within a range for a certain time period. So for example, we're on the daily chart, right? So every candle you see, it took 1 day for it to to print, okay? So for example, this was Wednesday, September 11th, 2024. The reason why this candle is red is because that day was what we call a bearish day, meaning there was more sellers than buyers. So that day, if you tried to buy, you most likely lost your money. It was a day where people were selling, okay? If you see these long wicks right here, it simply means that, I'll show you. This is right here is what we call, let me see if I can get it should, there you go, add text, okay? This is what we call open price, okay? Price opened at this level. Down here, this is what we call close price, okay? Price closed at this level. Down here is what we call low, right? This is the lowest point of the candle. And up here,
The lowest point.
yeah, the lowest point. And then up here is the high, okay? So what that means is that when the price, like when the day opened for the trading session, when the market's open,
Yeah.
price first went up, okay? It opened here and then it went up. It tried to obviously go higher, let's say, but sellers were strong, so they pushed it all the way down. They got it all the way down to this point here, right? And eventually, by the time the day was over, this is where we settled.
Why is it red?
Because that day, there was more sellers than buyers. So
And
it
the
was,
blue?
the blue means buyers took over that day. So it was more of a,
Like people who were
in the market.
buying in the market.
Yeah, so the buyers overpowered the sellers. It's the most basic way I can explain it to you, if that makes sense. All right, so these are candles. Now, we're currently on the daily time frame. We have all sorts of time frames. We have the weekly, which means every candlestick is 1 week worth of price action. We have all the way down to the 1 minute, which means every minute the candle's printing and it tells you in that minute buyers won, in this minute sellers won, in this minute, right? So what we try to do as traders is we try to analyze the market. We say, okay, overall we can see that price is going up, down, up,
down.
all right? So for the most part, this chart, let's say, goes up. So we say, okay, if price goes up, down, when it comes up here, we're trying to find out where else it'll come to before it goes back up. That's essentially
that's
it.
when you enter.
That's when you enter. So you need things like what we call a point of interest. A point of interest means there's a specific spot in the market where price, right, reacts to. So I'll give you an example. This spot right here is a very sensitive spot. If you notice, when price came up here,
it comes back down.
yes, right, pushed up, then when it went below and came back, it pushed down. Okay, it came back above it, touched it again, it pushed all the way up here, came back down in here, right? And you can see. Okay, so we look for areas like this, and then when it gets to areas like this is the 4-hour chart, so it means every candle is 4 hours. So when it gets to this area here, what we do is that we go down to a smaller time frame, and we try to look for areas or places in which price will give us the action or the pattern we need to see in order to take a trade. So whenever price is reversing or price is starting to change character or showing you that maybe buyers want to get into the market, you'll see something like this. Okay, price has been going, you can see, right, up, down some more, right? Because we're in a downtrend. We're in a market where the sellers are, you see what I'm saying, are stronger than the buyers. But when you start to see we're going up now a bit more and we're starting to make, you know, higher points above these areas, this tells us that the market wants to go up. So when we see things like this, we can now, let's say, enter a position right here. I'll just do a quick example, okay? And we will say, okay, price is going up. We have to now find out where price is going to stop or maybe turn back when it goes up. You can put that level here and say, well, price might return back to the heights. Or you can say, no, I can see over here there was a lot of, you know, spikes and stuff. Maybe it'll be over here. You have to find out where you think you're going to exit. And your stop loss is going to be, if price goes beyond this point, it means I was wrong about the trade and price is actually going down and not up. So this is all that we do. We just try
when we're in the downtrend, as a trader, you sell. You go in and you sell.
High five. High five. Guys, fire emojis in the chat. The fact that she understood that right away. So when we're in a downtrend, we sell. All right, let me end the poll. Most people said Saint Lucia. All right, so let me end the poll. God, I missed a lot. GBP is on fire today. I'll check it on a sec. Euro USD 30-minute chart potential longe. Baby pips for Mrs. Foreign as starters. Yeah, I got you guys. Entered EU. Fax Uni Yield, USD CAD. Guys, there's a lot going on. The chat is actually moving faster than I can keep up. FOMC going to be crazy. I might exit at that point. Guys, I'll check those things in a sec. Okay? I just want to explain to my wife how this thing works, okay?
Look at the fire for me. Yeah. So what does traders do most? Like they buy or they sell? Or they just go with the market?
It really depends on the market conditions. But I do know a couple people who primarily sell. And I used to be one of those people who primarily buy. Because when I was trading indices, which are tied to like the U.S. stock market in a sense, I used to just buy. It's a pair that usually goes up. So I would buy even in downtrends and still make money.
And this is what? This is Forex?
This is Forex. This is the U.S. dollar against the Mexican pair. So you know how when we travel to like the Caribbean or we go to Europe or the U.S. or whatever, we go to all these different places, right? Yeah. When we travel, you know how sometimes you have to convert the currency? And you know how like, okay, for example, whenever we go to the States, whenever we pay like, let's say 100 US, it's like 140 Canadian, right? Yeah. That difference in price, right? You can make money from that. Because say, for example, I have a US dollar, right? Let's say today I convert, let's say 100 US dollars. And then in the next 3 days, the US dollar goes from being worth 1.40 Canadian dollars to 1.5. That's an extra 10 cents on every dollar. So that difference in price is what we're trying to make. And the larger the amount you purchase, the bigger the difference, the amount that you're making, the bigger it is, if that makes sense. Okay, so for example,
what happens when the market crashes when you're in there?
Man, your money goes with it.
Oh my God.
Yeah, that's the risk of trading. Your money you like everybody in here can relate. You get into a trade, the trade looks like it's going your way, and then it just starts
Someone said it's in Vincent without a doubt.
Titan, are you the one that's from Aruba? Raizaki said. Okay, go ahead. You can read them.
Can we know your name? My name is Mrs. Foreign.
That's smart play, dog.
My name is Mrs. Foreign, guys.
Yeah, not yet, man. You ain't gonna no FBI movements right now, no government right now. I'm saying no government.
Where is our leverage gang? Leverage gang, where you at?
1 to 50,000. K-Dot, bro. K-Dot is just
that's
always
me today.
Shoot, my fault. K-Dot.
Oh yes, he said he's from Aruba.
Nice. K-Dot, as always, I play this for you almost every time you're on the stream.
You are a bad boy.
Yeah.
Bad boy. You are a bad boy.
You're a bad boy.
Yeah. All right. So the bigger the return. Yeah. People are trying to help me out in the chat with my speech, bro. I can't even talk today. Yeah, that's me today. Bird. Hey, Bird. What's good? What's good? Yes, I'm from Aruba. I know for a fact she is from St. Vincent. Good answer. Yeah. Haha. Definitely from St. Vincent. Losing. I'm shorting. Khaled's shorting. Yeah, we'll take a look in a sec, guys. I promise you we'll take a look in a sec. All right. So yeah. So when you get into the market, right? So you can see here that price is going towards our take profit, right? And we just hit TP. All right. So days like that, you're super happy. You're like, okay, cool. You know, I got in right here, put my stops, let's say right here, and price, you know, went to my TP. I'm happy you made money. But there are days where this could be the opposite. Okay. And you could have gone in, let's say, for a buy here, where I just flipped the chart, but you can go in for a buy and then price would take you out and you lose your money. Okay, so it happens.
So no stop. If you don't have any stop loss, you can lose your money at any time.
I will show you some videos of people who have traded without stop losses and where they are now.
Because no stop loss, like, what if you're in a big trade, like, and then it closes or something?
If I'm in a big trade, right, and I don't put a stop loss, I'll come to you one day with the papers and say we gotta sell the house, we gotta sell the cars, we gotta sell everything, because you can lose your shirt.
That's risky.
You can, yeah, it's risky.
So when you put a stop loss, you're literally like when you put if I can put it in sentences, like when you put a stop loss, you're literally like capping your risk. Is that what it is?
Can we get another round of applause? You guys, don't get me wrong. I'll tell her sometimes what I'm doing, but I don't talk to her about. You want to trade?
Yeah.
You guys, you want to take a trade today?
I want to understand so I can take a trade.
Okay, you guys want to see her take a trade? Titan said no stop loss equals 100% accuracy. Yo. All right.
I have to understand it though.
Okay, guys, let's see if we can get her to take a trade. That would be one. And she can take it on the account that I'm going to start on. So let's do that. Let's find a trade. Okay, some of you guys.
I have to understand first.
Yeah. Okay, all right. What else do you want to know?
The stop loss.
Yeah.
You have to put a stop loss. Right?
Yeah, you have to put a stop loss so you can manage your risk.
Right.
So you can say, okay, I'm risking $200 to make $400. If the trade is wrong, I'll lose $200, right? But if the trade is right, I'll make $400. That way, every time you lose, you're losing a certain amount, and you can, if your strategy is overall like has a winning percentage, like let's say 60%, then you know you just got to be right like half the time, and you'll double your money.
Because it's calculated.
Yeah. Okay. If you have no stop loss at one point, it has to go up. Maybe don't listen to these guys, okay? These guys are don't listen.
And they're giving me bad advice.
Yeah, they're giving you awful advice. Don't listen to them at all. No, just tell her how tempting it is to trade without a stop loss. Even though we know it's important, it's so tempting to YOLO. There are some times where, so people, when I first started trading, I would, if the market starts going down, I just push my stop loss further down. And you keep pushing further down because you're so convinced it's going up and you end up losing all your money. So it is tempting sometimes, but definitely not the way to go. Unit Yield said, yeah, let's go. Spot on. Yeah, let's go. Give her a better pair than USD Mexican. Yeah, for sure. We're not going to be trading this. That for sure. Yes, I think she wants to trade. Would you mind trading Mrs. Foreign live with your viewers? Oh, somebody's asking you. Signature, the Lord sign. That's a cool name. Said, do you mind trading live with your viewers?
Yeah.
Okay, there you go, guys.
I have to get it first.
All right, so let's go ahead and see.
I don't want to lose my money. I want to win.
So you guys, you see why I didn't take the GBP CAD trade? It just did not look good to me at all. So that's why you gotta be super careful. All right, guys. So now we have to Full margin live coming soon. Nah, we're not doing that. No bad habits. Exactly, Mr. Fauci. All right, so now we have to find her a pair where she can trade. All right, let's go back to the 1 hour. Let's see if we can find some of these pairs here. Nas 100 is already pushing towards the downside. We already kind of missed this. I'm not gonna let you touch that. I'm gonna see if I can find a pair. All right, and I have to teach you some things, man, like how to mark up zones and all that stuff. But what I'll do is that I'll ask you just based on what you're seeing if you think the pair is going up or down. Cool.
Like to start out.
Yeah. All right. So we'll do that. We will do that. This is US 500. This also at this level. Remember I told you about those levels, like when price keeps touching, it keeps bouncing and stuff like that. Remember?
Yes.
Okay, cool.
Yes.
So we can see here that price is kind of doing the same thing here. Whenever price comes into here, pushes down, right? And then over here, we're actually anticipating that the way price is moving, it might push up from here.
Yeah, because it's down there for a while, right?
Yeah. And you see these spikes? These spikes means that price kept on trying to push down and it rejected.
It's
push
rejecting.
down. Yeah. So that tells us that there's a good chance it might actually want to go towards the upside. So we can then go to a smaller time frame and look for an entry position. So for example, price is moving sideways and down at the same time. We have price kind of doing this, right? A little bit. Let me see. Do we got this going on? Not really. It looks more so like, oops. Does it feel like a deja vu? Am I tripping or am I seeing this? Don't even worry about this right now, babe. Just bear with me. Because this is not a great sign, to be honest, if it's doing this. But anyhow, we will see. We also have the potential of price actually just stalling at this level right here. And I know this is going to be confusing to you, but
It's very confusing.
yeah, this is probably not helping. FOMC traps. Let's try out her newbie's luck. What's up, brother? What's good, Javier? My wife is on the stream. Say hi, Javier. So here's the thing. This is so bad. It's just because I don't want you to miss this. But there's a chance this may go up. But I will let you. This is not good. I'll be leading you astray because you would have to know what you're doing to enter here. Based on what you're seeing, you would not be able to know. But I guess from what you're seeing from here, what does it look like price is doing? You tell me your honest opinion.
What it's doing.
Remember, red is down, blue is up.
It's like if it's buying or selling. Oh. More buyers. Right now they're buying.
Right now?
It's going down.
Okay, red is
red
is down.
is
Blue is
down.
up. So based on what you're seeing with all these
So the
candles
red
here,
is selling.
Yeah.
They're selling.
right now they're selling at this current point. Okay, let me use a different pair. I just feel like this is just not a great example. I want to give you something more clear, and I think what I'll do, guys, I'll have her
Nothing on
take it
this
on.
screen is clear. Nothing on this screen is clear. Just to let you know.
Did we close it? Did we
It's
close the
all
poll?
Yes, we did. You
Okay,
did.
so everybody voted Saint Lucia. So let's reveal if that's true. Are you from Saint Lucia?
No,
Oh boy, that was wrong.
I'm not Saint Lucian.
Okay, we're gonna probably have to give them more hints to find out where you're from. Some people are so sure in the chat, so we'll see what happens. Guys, I have to give her a better chart where I think I'm gonna make her take a trade on the 15-minute. The 1 minute is just too noisy. So here, let me just go through some charts. When you see a chart where you feel like the price is going up or down, or you like, let me know, and then we can start analyzing that chart. Okay?
Okay.
You're gonna say yes or no for each one.
Okay. If it's going up or down?
Yeah, like you're gonna say first yes or no if you like the charts. Like
Oh, if I like the
yeah,
chart.
if it looks clear to you, if it looks.
And this is what are we trading here?
This is SPX 500.
What does that mean?
It means that okay, so it's like there's a, how do I put it? There's a basket of companies, 500 of the best companies in the U.S. Right? On futures, I believe it's not on futures. It's SPY. But long story short, there's 3 basket indexes. Right? There's US 30, which are the America's like top 30 companies in the economy. Then there's US 100. It's 100 of the best, and then US 500 is like 500. They're all like a mixed portfolio of things. Okay, so this right now is we're trading the top 500 companies, right, as a derivative, and basically we're trying to anticipate if that stock, that index is going to go up in value or down in value. And if it's going up, we want to catch it to go the upside. If it's going down, we want to catch it to go to the downside.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
So
Right now here it's going down, no?
no, babe,
Right at the end here?
it's blue.
Oh, it's
Okay, let me switch it to the original.
it's so tiny.
Oh, okay. Let me zoom in. No, sorry, wrong one. You go to chart template, and I think, where's the original?
The last one that you were on, I was fine with that one.
Were you? You sure? US 30?
I think so.
Okay. Where we at?
Someone said Barbados.
Barbados?
No, I'm not from Barbados. But you're close.
Ah.
You're close.
Were we not just looking at US 30? What were we looking at just now? I might be tripping. Let me see, guys. Let me see if I can find the chart for her. See if we can get her to take a trade. Maybe we should let her trade FOMC, guys.
The easiest one. The one that you can make easy money.
Easy money?
Yeah.
Okay. I mean,
Which one is the easiest one, guys?
guys, she's asking you which one is the easiest one. You guys
Which
help her
one
out.
is the easiest one? Like, I wanna go and buy a bag today. Shopping. Can
There
I
you go. She wants to buy a bag today, guys. So, somebody said, Raizaki, now I know you're wicked. He said gold.
Oh my god.
They're lying to
Is
you.
he trying to set me up for failure?
Gold is a widow maker, bro. We're not trading gold, bro. You guys are absolutely insane. No way. Hello, grab a coin flip. It's crazy, right, Zaki? Coin flip trading is definitely the way. 98% win rate. You guys are insane. XE is definitely the easiest. Guys, what happened?
I went to win the camera.
Did they see you? Yo, these internet detectives, bro. Bro, I have people send me.
I leaned over to
I have people send me screenshots. They're like, "That's her, isn't it?" I'm like, "No." So we have some detectives in this place. Gold is a millionaire maker. Yeah, if you know what you're doing. Definitely not for beginners, guys. You guys, she's actually asking you guys for help. You guys are telling us to trade gold. Shosho said Doge USD. Hey, yo. You guys are awful, bro. Hey, listen, all of you guys.
Which one is the easiest?
You are a bad boy.
To be honest,
You are a bad boy. You are a bad boy.
You're a bad boy, bro. Euro USD is one of the easiest pairs in terms of just the way it moves. AUD USD is also not bad. Okay, that's a very easy pair. The chart is kind of clear on here. I mean, so you can see from here. What do you think is happening? You think we're going up, going down? What do you think?
Down.
We're going down. Yeah, right here we're going down. Okay, based on this overall price action, we're going up, down, up, down. What do you think is the best position to take, a buy or a sell? You want more
Buy.
information? You want to buy? Okay. All right. So now we got to figure out where to buy. Price is already going up. It's right here. Man, this is hard because you need to understand certain things. But I guess what I'll say to you is, if you do buy, where do you want to put your entry? Where do you want to put your stop loss?
Where I want to put my entry.
Yeah. Where do you want to enter the market?
Maybe I show you.
Your shoulders in the cow. So be careful with your face. Guys, she's controlling the mouse right now. So if you guys see...
Like to... okay.
Okay.
Buy. We're buying, right?
Yeah. Let me explain something else to you real quick. At the side here, you see all these numbers? These
Yeah.
are the price points of the pair.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so right now, the Australian dollar is worth, as of right now, basically 67 cents to the US dollar. Okay? So you're trying to figure out if that price is going to rise and it's going to get stronger against the US dollar, if it's going to fall against the US dollar.
How do you know?
Technical analysis, fundamental analysis. You look at different factors to determine that. There's news events that come out that gives you an idea of where the market wants to go. There's lots of ways. I can teach you strategies and all that stuff, but I just want you to do this on a basic level, just by eyeballing the chart. What do you think price is going to do? You think it's going to go up or it's going to go down?
It's gonna come back down.
Okay.
It's
you think it's going to go down? So you want to
not
sell?
right away though.
Okay. Okay.
Not right away. So how do I?
Good morning, Steven. My wife is on the live. We're teaching her how to trade, and we might do a face reveal. So welcome to the chat. Okay, so how do you want?
I want to buy, but not right after this candle. I want to buy after like one more of this selling candle, then I'll buy.
Oh, okay, you guys, listen to that. She said she's going to wait for another selling candle, then she's going to buy. You know what? That ain't a bad idea. That ain't a bad idea. You guys, for those of you who are here, please hit the like button for the stream, guys. Please hit the like button. Hit the like button. It's free. Join the Discord if you're new. All right. Have my wife on the live today. Hit the like button. Okay, so you're going to wait for another candle. Okay, so the next candle. Oh, wait a minute. I just made a big mistake. Shoot. Okay, there we go. So it's already going. I just realized.
Going.
Yeah,
it
I just realized.
Zoomed in or something.
No, we had it on replay mode.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we had it on replay mode. So
you see, so I'll buy here too.
You'll buy here?
Yeah.
Like right now?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, guess what? I now have to open this account. She's gonna take a trade on my account. All right. I have an account that has, barely anything in there. I just want to make sure nothing crazy is in there. All right, guys. So, what was the pair that we were trading? What is it? AUD USD. All right, guys. AUD USD. Let's see right here. On the 15-minute, you want to buy, right? Now, the question is, how much percent do you want to risk? 1%, 2%, 0.5%, 5%? What do you want to risk?
1%.
1%? All right. So, we're going to have to go new order. Okay. Where do you want your stop loss to be?
Like, I got to tell you the number at the side, right?
Or just use the mouse to show me.
Stop loss, I'll say, if it does it, I'll put it right here.
Okay. All right, cool. So what I'll do is I'll let you drag it. I'll let you drag the stop loss and take profit. Okay, let me just move the TP real quick. Oops. I'm going to take profit. Okay, so now I'll move this back here. You drag the stop loss to the level. Grab that thing again.
This stop loss, I'm going to tell you where I want it. It's my first time, so we're not going too crazy.
Okay.
Right there.
Right there. So you want to...
Yes.
So you want to buy right now. Where's your take profit?
But take profit is too... It's too high. I think I want to go right here for take profit.
Okay,
right
cool. All right, we're gonna go. You guys, 1% risk on this.
Oh, my heart.
Your heart is racing. So her heart is racing. Oh, shoot. I'm sorry. You say your take profit was like right here, right? Okay, so you guys, her heart is racing. Okay, 1%, guys. We're going for 1%. I gotta make this. I think maybe like let's start off at 2 lots. Maybe 5 lots. Okay.
I think I was just in the camera.
Were you?
I think so.
Try your best.
Leaning over too much.
Save yourself for the face reveal. Let's do 7 lots, bro. Let's see. 7 lots. Okay, there you go. 1% risk. Maybe go down a bit more.
You gotta move fast so that I can get in.
I know. I'm just trying to... Because remember, we gotta manage our risk.
So let's go. Let's go. Is it Fauci? Is it Fucci? I can't see from all Fauci.
Okay.
Let's go, Fauci.
Here we go. You ready? So hit the buy button. Go ahead.
Wait 1 second. Oh my God! How do you guys?
All right, guys. Insufficient funds, reduced leverage. Are we about to blow this thing? Oh, are we full margining? Insufficient funds, reduced. Okay. Let me see. What's the stop loss gonna be at? We'll see.
I have to go up some more.
Nah, I think you'll be alright. We're already down 47. 250 though. Oh. Full margin is crazy. It's a buy. Full margin. Now let's pray. Let me see something here real quick. I don't even really use this platform, But so far you're in profit, $17, babe. Oh.
Where is it? Did you put it in?
Yeah, you put it in. Look, there's your profit right there.
Dang. So I gotta wait for it to hit that line, right?
Yeah. When it hits this line.
So how long does it take to hit that line? Because I already want my profit already.
Bro, the commission alone is $41. You're already down $40.
Really?
You're...
Let's go, chat. Come on, chat. Let's
They
go.
said they're praying. 400 is crazy. Oh my gosh.
Dang.
Yeah.
So, what do you think? You think that was a good entry or no?
To be honest, it's not bad at all. I'll tell you why. You're actually entering at a gap, which is actually pretty surprising. Like where you entered is off of a gap. Price went up, is coming back to a level where it used to be resistance. Now it might be acting as support. So we have to wait and see how it goes. The only thing I'm trying to figure out is if we over leveraged on this, how many lots did we execute? 5.8 lots in the two. I have to use a trade calculator. Give me 1 second.
Why is it moving so slow?
Because you're on the 15-minute chart. You want to see it on a smaller chart? There you go. There's your trade.
Yeah. We're still in profit, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
For now. Oh, no, now we're at break
Oh.
even. 0.
Whoa.
Excuse me. We'll see. I mean, at the end of the day,
Where is the chat? Come on, chat. You deserve
chat is right here.
You see, someone said you deserve a congratulations song just for pressing the buy button.
Steven. Shout out
Yes,
to Steven.
Steven. Thank you. See, we're back in profit, guys. 588.
Now we're down.
That's how fast it moves?
Yeah. Because the size we moved. And this is
Wow.
not even a fast pair at all.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Give me 1 second. I have to don't come too much in here. Let me move this over to you some more so you can stay back.
So what happens, like, within this time, what happens? Like, what do you guys do?
We just wait it out. I just gotta find out these levels. So open price was 067. Oh no, 067,655.
I have to check the heart condition of every trader.
It's no joke. 067. 067. Where's it at? 067,655. Okay, and then my close price is 067,755. Okay. We put in 6 lots basically. Oh, I see. Babe, we gotta.
It's not working?
We put way too much on here. I usually use a trade calculator, so I never did this with the thing. And I don't trade Forex. I have a good idea of US 30, but let's see. I need it to come up just a little bit more, and then I'm going to get you into... You know what? Let me close. Is there a way to close some of it? Or just close the trade? Okay, we'll see. Let me see if it goes up a little bit. I'll take the loss on the commission just to get you in at a smaller size, because because just based off a commission and thing alone.
I've been negative.
Yeah. So. Oh, just our luck. Since we want, guys, we are like full margin in here, bro. We're like full margin in this thing, bro. I'm gonna have to cut it at some point, or at least reduce the risk. Yeah, it's moving with speed, fam. I'm gonna have to cut it at some point just to get you back in. We'll make it back. Even if you lose it, I'll make it back by trading back. That's fine. So, because if we lose, this is a 25K account. So 250 would be, you know what I mean? Like halfway point, that would be 0.5%. So I'd probably call it at that point. I'll just look at it like you lost 0.5%, then I'll get you back in, and then you can do the next like 0.5%, but I'll get you in a smaller. Okay, we're at 250. So let's get you back in this time way less. Oops. What was your stop loss? Gosh, now we gotta go back to the 15, M15. So your stop loss was, where'd you say it was, right here? Right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So that's your stop loss. Let's get back in for another. Definitely can't do that. Let's do way less. Let's do like 2. Yeah, let's do that for now. That just looks.
So 1% is more riskier than.
No, I misjudged. I didn't put in the right lot size. You didn't do anything wrong. Babe, I'll make it back. I promise you I'll make it back. You are good. So, all right. So she's in her trade. We went full margin, bro. Can you imagine? Holy. Oops. And I moved yours. Oh, there you go.
Bring that down
Yeah, no, I got you.
a little bit more.
You already said it for here?
Right there. Yeah.
Yeah. All right, guys. So we'll see if she can make back the money that we just lost.
Yes, we
or
can.
at least win the trade. I'll make back the money we lost because that was my fault. GG, let's go. All chips are in. Love to see a new gambler being born. No, that was 1,000% me. The few times I've used, I think this is Match Trader. The few times I've used Match Trader, I just use that. It gives me the percentage and I go in. But I didn't watch this properly. And even now it's saying we're using 22%. That's weird. I don't know. Maybe because I trade on the 1 minute, it's not as bad. When I trade on the 1 minute, I can literally risk 0.5%, make 2% on this. So I don't know what's going on. I gotta learn Match Trader. And if this don't work out,
what happened to Marcus?
What happened? I just lost my life savings again. Oh my gosh,
geez.
Marcus, welcome to the club, brother. All right, guys, put some fire emojis in the chat. She took her first trade. Bad mentor though, because I made her full margin. I didn't realize. I did not realize. But we'll make it back, guys. I promise. I'll figure out how this thing works. So we'll make it back. It just takes like literally we lost about 250. About 250. That's literally 0.5%. I just got to do either risk another 0.5% to make, back the 1%, or risk 1% and I would make that up and more on a good setup. All right, guys. So by the way, the one thing I do know about this is they have the trading view thing on here. So we'd be able to kind of like at least look at this and put our positions in. And then we can look at it together. And your stop loss is right here. So it's, super tight. And your TP's right there. So right now you're almost at a 1-to-3. Good risk to reward ratio though, babe. If you hit it, it's going to be good, guys. At least one thing we can't deny, this has been the most entertaining live, I think, thus far. All right? So let me move this back down to the...
If she wants a new bag today, she should definitely...
Get a new bag?
No. So, can you read it? It's so far away. I can't...
Where is it?
Right there. Right there. Come down.
Oh,
yeah.
She wants a new bag today. She should definitely... full margin on FOMC later. Don't even listen to that. FOMC is not cool. Let me make this a bit bigger so we can... Babe, you're about to hit stop loss.
Really?
Yep. Let me switch over. You're about to lose the trade.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Why? Because it's selling more.
It's selling. But babe, I let you go in without any knowledge of where to set up a zone, things like that. I just asked you.
I still have time though. It's
Yeah,
gonna go back up.
there's still a bit of space.
It's gonna go back up.
It's gonna go back up.
It's gonna go
Let's
back
wish
up.
her luck, guys.
No. Up. Nope.
This is every
Nope.
trader's experience.
Nope.
It's
gonna go back up. No.
after-
Wow. Oh, it's so close.
Yep.
It's so close. Oh
Yep.
my God.
It's probably gonna move with a bit of force and just take you out. You see that blue line at the bottom there? Once it touches that,
The blue line?
you're cooked. This blue line right there. And you see how the spreads are opening? Oh man, you gotta love trading.
It's gonna go back up. It have to go back up. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Oh. Okay, I need more knowledge on this another time. Another time.
Yeah. Oh man, welcome to every trader's experience. This is what we go through all the time.
That we
So
waited
this
too
is-
long. Is there any
No,
shorter?
it didn't go in.
We
Look, you
waited too
entered right
long.
here. Okay, but your stop loss was too short. Your stop loss was right there. You see what I'm saying? So you didn't give yourself enough room. What we are supposed to do when we enter positions like that, the safest place is below the last low. Because if price comes all the way down here to break this, it means price is really going down, like we're wrong completely about the trade. But here, price can come and tap into any of these zones right here and then go all the way back up. Okay, price can do this.
So my stop loss needed to be lower.
Yeah, it needed to be further down.
So the lower your stop loss, the
more room you have for the trade, but then you also have to go further up to win. So you see how you said that this was too high? Because your stop loss is down here now, in order for you to make a 1 to 2, which is what you want, the 1 to 3, you have to now wait for it to go all the way up here.
Oh.
Yeah. So which means it'll take you a lot longer, or you would have a lot longer distance to travel. Okay?
Oh man.
All right. So do you want to take another trade?
I need to learn a bit more.
Wait, I have to check though. I want to make sure we don't blow our account. So far, what have we lost? We have lost.
Maybe after I gain knowledge.
Okay, no problem. It's a 25K account, which means I can't lose more than $12.50 a day. And so far, you've only lost. Yeah, we can go in for another one. You're good.
Are you sure?
Yeah, 1,000%. Yeah, I'll make it back. I promise you. I'm trading with these guys. We've been doing pretty well, so we should be alright. Is there another one you want to try? You want to try gold like they said?
The easiest one.
So here's the thing. This is an easy pair. The thing that I didn't tell you is that we are already high at a level. You see this line that's marked up? We're supposed to be pushing down.
USD.
US what? This? That's US 30.
US 30.
Is that US 30?
One? Yeah,
that's what they're talking about. All right, let's go to US 30. That's the one I trade. US 30 is my guy. Okay, so let's take a look at US 30. Okay, I'm gonna actually step away. I just want to go to the washroom real quick. So you're gonna have to entertain them for a sec. Don't show your face yet. US 30, here's what we're looking at. You guys, it finally broke out of the channel. But it didn't break with any like convincing force. It's just acting weird. So that's not great. But anyways, babe, this is US 30. So here we are. And let me go back out a little bit just so you can see. This is the chart, okay? So maybe you should play around with the mouse and with the chart and see if you can understand. Ask them for help. Ask them to help
Where
you.
do you enter if you want to enter?
Okay, they'll give you price points. The price points are at the side here. Can you see those numbers?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Guys, I'm going to step away for 2 seconds. Help her out as best you can. I'll be back. I'll be back in like 2 minutes. But help her out as much as you can.
Nothing is moving.
Yeah, because it's on a big chart. Look, we're on a 1 hour time frame. If you want to see it on a small time frame, go to the 1 minute. Click on the 1 minute.
Oh. On the 1 minute one. How do you guys do this? I don't even know what I'm looking at. Okay. The red one is moving. Okay. So is it selling now? I think it's selling now. Is it selling? It just keep moving. How do you guys know when to go in? There you go.
You got it?
And then now it start buying. So this is different?
What do you mean?
The red is selling here?
Yeah, and the blue is buying.
So it's different on every chart.
Yeah, every chart.
Oh.
Well, they're all the same in terms of like when you see blue, blue is always buying, red is always selling, but they move differently. On
They
every
move
chart.
differently.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. All right. Did they help you out? US 30. Somebody said sell it. Yeah, the US 30 go long. Somebody said no short. The unboxer. I feel like you're. Okay, let's see. Let's take a look at this. I mean, there are reasons for going short. The level we're at, I would personally wait. I wouldn't enter trade like this. I was going to get in at the 1 minute when price gave us what we were looking for. In this case here, it didn't move the way we wanted, so I would have stayed out. But you are free to do what you like. If you want to take another trade, we can take another trade. Do you like US 30 or you want to see a different pair?
I want to take a look at this for a minute or two.
For a minute? No problem. Take your time. What would you like to know? Well, I guess while we're here, let me show you some things, okay? So there's something called market structure. I was showing this a bit earlier, right? But price usually moves like this. If it's going down, up, right? So down, up a little bit, down some more. Up a little bit, down some more. Up a little bit, down some more. Like a staircase, okay? When price is moving up, it goes up more, down a little bit. Up some more, down a little bit. Up some more, down a little bit, and so on and so forth, okay? And what we do is we find zones where we can say, oh, whenever price tapped into here, it went up. When it tapped here, it went down. We look for those type of zones. Okay, and then we try to, when the price gets to those zones, at least that's the way I trade, I just try to find some sort of pattern. Like, let's say, for example, some people wait till they see a really big candle like that, but towards the direction they want, and they buy. They wait till they see if they're going short, they wait till they see a big candle like that, then they sell. You see what I'm saying? There's different things you look for that gives you an idea that price is going in the direction that you are thinking of as well.
So they try to go the opposite way?
Some people do, but for the most part, you should go with the trend. You should never go against the trend. If price is going down, you should go down with the trend. If price is going up, you should go up with the trend.
Right.
If you reverse, you got to be like really knowledgeable as to where you're entering, and you got to be experienced to do that. So it's not recommended. They say the trend is your friend, and it's usually true. You should most of the time go with
the trend.
Yeah.
Okay.
So move this out the way real quick, and let me get rid of this. So in this case here, I'm just gonna go back to the 15. Right? We can see that price was going up, down, up, down, up,
down, up, down.
Okay. And then what started happening is that after it was, remember, it's supposed to go up some more, down a little bit, up some more. It's not supposed to pass the recent down point. So when you see price has gone down a little bit, but only up a little bit, and now it's broken this last down point, it was supposed to go higher, then you can say, oh, we're starting to go down. Because it's starting to break the low points. It's not supposed to break the low points, okay? If you see from over here, if you notice, right, when price was going down, this, whenever it goes back up, it doesn't break the other high point. It just goes up a little bit more, down a little bit. The second you see that after making a low point, this has broken this high point, it means we might be going the other way. Okay? It's a little complex a little bit, but you'll start to understand it. So in this case here, price was going up, made another low. It didn't break this high. It was supposed to go higher, right? Because we were going up. It didn't do that. It ended up coming down here, and then now it broke this low. So this tells us price wants to go down. So you can look for a place to get in here and go down. Yeah. So price came down that level, okay, and then went up, came down, and essentially, went all the way up here, came down up here. So what do we have now? We had price, it was going up a bit, but now it's starting to break these lows again. So now that it's broken this low, you want to look for, when it's moving down there, you want to look for an area to get into so you can take it to the next point, if that makes sense.
So it should be going up at some point.
It should be going back up at some point. That's what you're seeing right here, that price is starting to make high. So you see this point right here? Once price breaks this level and stabilizes above it, it might be what we were looking for to go towards the upside.
Okay.
Make sense? Okay. So see what's happening here? Price is going up and then going down. Man, you guys, I'm sorry today for missing all the comments in the chat. It has just been going way faster than I can keep up with. Plus, I'm trying to show my wife how to trade. So, okay, let's see. The unboxer, what was your entry price for US 30? AUD CAD, what do you think? Foreign money. AUD CAD. I'm just going to show them something real quick, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, GBP USD. Okay, AUD CAD. AUD CAD. All right, so AUD CAD, show. I'm going to analyze this for them. Hopefully, you'll learn something as I'm doing this. So basically, price was going, let me go to the weekly. It's so much easier. All right, so we're in a down channel. I think show, you remember we analyzed this before. We were in a down channel. And we were waiting for, at that point, for price to show us what it wanted to do here. Price went up, kind of wicked down, probably news. And then now it's making its way back up. Okay, what we have here is price doing this. Okay, up, down some more, up, higher low, because it broke this. And now we're expecting price to continue up this way. But this area that we marked up here may give us problems. And as you can see, as price is getting to this area, you can see a wick, which means this area is proving to be a bit of an issue. So let's go down to the daily to figure out what's going on here. We have two things. You can see right off the bat. Would that work? No, that's too far away. We have a daily gap there, but let me go to the 1 hour. That might be easier. Okay, cool. So we can see that we have a support, a resistance level, okay, right here that price is struggling against. And what happened when price came back in here? It's starting to push down. All right. So now that price has come into this level here, it's starting to push down. After pushing down, if this were a 1 minute chart, for example, we could look for our pattern and get in. We now have to go down to a lower time frame and see what we can get into. For me personally, Shosho, I'm not really going to touch anything because I feel like the move has already happened. Okay, we've gone this way, we're already here. If you're looking to buy, obviously you can find some zones in here to take it up. I'm personally going to wait it out, but that's my best bet at this time if you ask me. Price has already moved. I would just wait for it to. I go from zone to zone. I want the extreme zones, either down here or up here. If price has already moved from here, I'm not really going to touch it. However, there are some 15-minute gaps that you can still utilize and see. Okay, see how price responds to this on the lower time frame. Where are we at? Okay, we have this one here, and we have this one right here. Okay, see how price responds to those gaps. If it gives you your pattern, if it gives you an indication that it wants to go up, if you're scalping, you can catch a decent 1 to 2 trade towards the upside. If you are going or using the 15-minute time frame, then you got to wait for a lot more and wait a lot longer. But for me personally, I wouldn't even be looking for buys right now. Because of the way price is selling, I would wait for price to either, if I'm getting into a buy, give us, get rid of this, give us some bullish structure, you know what I mean? Something like that. Then maybe I could start considering buys because that might still be a retracement. Or if I'm bearish, I'm waiting for price to break this low, come back in, and probably do that. All right, Shosho. So that's my best bet for AUD CAD. Trading, not need tool, need to see high and low. I don't scalp, by the way. Khalid, you wouldn't say that if you look at my indicator. Oh, okay, so Unboxer is speaking with somebody else. Sorry? Yo. Okay, guys, my wife got to take a call real quick, but she might be back. Whew. By the way, guys, we will hop off the stream probably in the next 15. All right. But so far, thank you guys for everybody who showed up and showed love and support. My wife got a taste of what it's like to lose a trade, not happy, and now look. Typical, right? You lose your trade and price starts reversing on you. Wait, let me see if this is a... Wait a minute. What is this? AUD USD? You guys, I might enter a trade just to... Wrong one. Just a revenge trade here. Let's see. AUD... I'm lying, guys. I'm not going to revenge trade. Just bear with me here. I'm going to see what's going on. All right, so AUD USD, we have this gap right here that price seems to be respecting at this time. So, that's a tough one. I don't like when it does that. I need a bit more volume. That is a tough one. Let me just get rid of this thing here. All right, I want to, I want to see it. This is the same thing that happened with the other pair earlier. You guys remember? The same thing happened. But if this works out, what I'll do is just to get myself ready. And this is why I use pending orders, I think that's probably why we ended up full margining the account. That was nuts. That's nuts. That's nuts. Where's TP? Okay, there you go. So TP... There you go. So, for example, if my thing was to get in here, nah, bro, something's not right. This is not how it moves. Because look at the percentage of the thing. That's not how it usually moves. I don't know what's going on with AUDUSD. But then again, I don't really trade Forex on here too. So maybe that's the reason why. You guys, I'm going to have to use a... Oh, look at price moving. Sheesh. I'm going to have to use a lot calculator for this just because... And I've never had to use one in my life. I probably got to open my MetaTrader and try this. Give me 1 second, guys. Give me 1 second. Let me go to AUDUSD. AUDUSD. Let's go to chart. Let's change this time frame real quick. Guys, just bear with me. I want to see if... This is why, if you guys notice from all my trading challenges, I always use a position size calculator. Having to calculate your positions before you enter is quite annoying. All right. All right, cool. So I have this calculator open here. I'm going to tell you guys exactly what I'm looking at here. Let me see. All right, cool. So okay, I'm setting this up. That's a 1 to 3. We're gonna go for just a 1 to 2, and I would have to risk. Where's the lot size? 0.92. So on a, okay, that's 10 times the size. So that would be, bro, I gotta use a calculator.
You're in a trade?
No, I was about to get into one. Let me just go back and show you guys. Guys, give me a second. I'm actually gonna pull out a calculator just for this stuff, guys, because I'm shying. Oh gosh, wrong one. Definitely not supposed to see that. That's for, you know, if you know, you know. Let me go here. Position times. Okay, let's do. Okay, there we go. So, USD account balance. We're just gonna call it 25K. Risk percentage is 1%. Stop loss in pips. No, we're doing AUD. What is this? AUD USD. So, AUD USD. Let me just quickly do something like this. Okay, and we're gonna go from 1 to 2. So I'm gonna say stop loss is, that's really tight, 3 pips. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, so I was right. This thing is gonna trip then, because, so maybe that's the issue. All right, guys, so literally it's telling me I would have to enter 8.3 lots. You see what I'm saying? But look, this is telling me that I'm like full margining my account. I don't know, guys. Do you guys trade with Match Trader? Wrong one. Bro, I got so much stuff going on, I don't even know what to do. Will do. I can share with you a lot because I've developed my own proper tools over the years. It's always useful to be a trader and dev. Hi, buddy. What's good, Vanch? What's good, Vanch? All right, so guys, just like I was saying, I have to put in 8 lots, but this is telling me like I'm using a good amount of my leverage, which is insane. So this prop firm is not really great for scalping, it seems like. You see what I'm saying? Because if I want to risk 0.5% right now, you see what I'm saying, to make a decent, like, well, this would be 2%, so that'd be more than that. I think it would be, like 50 cents plus 60 would be like 120, basically. This is what I'm looking for. And in order for me to risk the size I want, I'd be using a good amount of my leverage. So this is not great. This is not a great tool for scalpers. So we're gonna have to see how that goes.
You didn't eat your breakfast.
Yeah, I ate some of it, babe. I'm gonna go all the way to the top of your calculator. All the way to the top. Enter what there, Shosho. If you're helping me out, I appreciate it. Enter what there? In Match Trader. Okay, what do you want me to enter? Market order. Okay. I'm waiting, Shosho. Market order. What else am I supposed to do? And for calculating your lot size. Yeah, okay. So I put it in there, 8.3. Okay, and it's telling me that I'd be risking 0.5% to make about just over 1%, which is fine. I'm just saying that I'm starting to realize that this, I think the leverage for this prop firm isn't great because I'm using a good amount of my margin just to trade that, which means the leverage is low. You see what I'm saying? I scalp on every other prop firm, I have no issues. I can enter crazy lot sizes and I'm fine. But with this, I'm using a good amount of my leverage. Sure be my guess. I'll join Discord with the name. Ideal. All right. So it looks like Unboxer and Professor are chopping it up. I think they're talking about some tools or something. I'm sure, trust me. Designed one of the best tools for analyzing US30. Oh, he's selling his tools. Well, promoting his tools. I better not catch you scamming in there, Unboxer. I have a mod in there. He's crafty. No, but all jokes aside, one of the best things about our community is literally things like that. We have people helping each other out. So far, no scams. So far, nobody taking advantage of anybody. But if you guys see anything sketchy in the Discord, please report it. Please, please, please report it. All right? So this is, I would have loved to enter this, but the way that it broke for me wasn't great. So I'm going to skip this. I'm going to go back to TradingView. We'll see if we can get another analysis. Guys, we're also going to hop off very soon, unfortunately, because we got things to do. I also got things to attend to. So unfortunately, US30. Let's see what US30 is saying. We drew a bunch of stuff on there. Let me get rid of it. Okay. US30 is basically going sideways, guys. This is what we have going on US30, essentially. All right. US30 is just consolidating. Why? And this is the reason why days like this, I don't really usually trade. Whenever there's FMC and FOMC, NFP, CPI, just usually stay out the market because they'll usually do nothing until 2 o'clock. Then everything will, all hell will break loose. Okay, but you never know. Might be able to find something. This happened with US 500. Broke, went towards the downside. I'll turn this off. And let's see what else. We were looking at some other stuff this morning. That's AUD/USD. But none of our alerts hit. So that means it didn't come to our zones. Gold. We didn't do nothing on gold. GPUSD. Let me go to the 15 so it's easier to track. Okay. GPCHF. We didn't mess with that. AUD/JPY. We had already missed this by the time it was going. So we let that be. We didn't touch oil. You guys, did this alert go off? Because I don't remember it. But either way, it just went right through. We wouldn't have gotten anything anyways. So that is what it is. Yeah, I think today's just one of those days where I wouldn't have traded anyways. Because I don't see anything really. Everything that happened, maybe Nas, maybe. But like I told you guys this morning, I was not on the charts. Because, wife and I had some things to do. No selling. Nah, you're good on box. I'm just messing with you. You too, try with BTC USD. You can trade with max 4 volume because of margin. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. I'll go down to news 2 hours from now. Yeah, guys. So today's one of those things. I think if anything, I'll come back after NFP. I might, but I got a lot of work to do, guys. If you guys haven't seen my IG stories, check out my IG stories. You guys will see all the work that I'm doing. For those of you who don't know, my IG is my money foreign. Okay, that's my IG. All right, babe, anything you want to say before we hop off? Guys, here's the thing. I will do a face reveal for my wife when we hit a different milestone. Today we were debating. I feel like we should wait. Okay, the next time we do this, it won't be clickbait. It will be legit. Okay, we were debating. I just feel like we should wait. All right, guys, so I will do the wife. She's wearing a shiesty. You'll never know what she looks like. Are you asking me, Unboxer, or you're asking someone else in the chat? Did you guys see the sneak peek? She's wearing a shiesty. You can't tell what she looks like at all. At all. Yes, me. I'm originally, my parents were manufactured in West Africa, Ghana, but they gave birth to me here in the land of Canada. Yeah. I'm Canadian, eh? So, yeah, man.
That's so funny.
Yeah.
Thanks for joining, guys. Thanks for supporting.
Yes, guys. Thanks for joining. This was a very live stream. I wish I could have got to all of you guys' comments. It was just, today was the first time I haven't been able to keep up with the comments. There's so many. For everybody who I missed your comments, I appreciate you guys. I'm so sorry. But shout out to all of you guys. I love each and every one of you guys. We'll do this again sometimes. I may, if I can get some stuff done, I may come back to stream NFP, FOMC. Highly doubt it, but we'll see. With that being said, guys, thank you so much for joining the stream. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Join the Discord if you're new. Follow me on Instagram. And as always, I'll catch you on the next one, my lovely foreigners and my beautiful pineapples. Have a great day, y'all. Peace. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Take care, everybody.